In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the lower fan shroud on this Ram 2500. This is the smaller part that goes underneath the main or the upper fan shroud. You can access this from underneath, so let's get started. From underneath, you can see that there are several clips along the underside of the main fan shroud. There's also these tabs that you can pry down. So what I'm going to do is stick a little pry bar here. You could use a flathead screwdriver to pry these apart and pry these clips off. There we go. Now it's not completely off because it's still hooked at the top. And to get that out, you're just going to want to push it back and wiggle it. It's up at the halfway point. It has some hooks on the side. All right, I got it unhooked off of both sides. I'm going to pull it down. Once it's off, I can also show you what I was unhooking. You can see right here, these tabs that stick up have these little hooks, or tabs I guess, that have to be pushed this way and down in order to clear the rest of the fan shroud, and there you have it. This is out. Now to put the lower fan shroud in, I'm going to bring it up into position and clip in the sides first. Once you've pushed the sides up, you can lock the bottom in. All right, there it is.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.